Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best propane grills under $500. Watch until the end to find our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Blackstone 1554 Gas Grill. With home grilling becoming quite popular, people are going to great lengths to recreate their favorite eateries meals at home. You could accomplish this with minimal to no effort using the Blackstone grill. With its 4 independent burners, each producing up to 15,000 BTUs, you're guaranteed truly epic meals. The 769 square inches of surface area allow you to grill for an entire crowd. This grill also has durable stainless steel construction and a durable powder-coated black steel frame. It also has a shelf and extendable side trays, which are valuable additions, especially when you need to serve the set crowd. Monument Grills 35633 Gas Grill. The Monument is one of the best designed gas grills, with a few extra features, including a glass viewing window and LED lights for those grilling sessions after dusk. With cast iron grates that have been porcelain coated and stainless steel flame tamers, the main cooking area has a vast 513 square inch surface area, a ceramic sear burner and a stainless steel side burner, each with a power output of 12,000 BTUs, are located on the flanks. This barbecue is much more than simply a fashionable grill, thanks to its consistently even heat distribution. The other key features are an enclosed storage area, a retractable catch pan, and an integrated mounted thermometer. Cuisinart CGG-306 Tabletop Grill. Sometimes people get the impression that portable grills are overly inexpensive and basic. Not so with the Cuisinart CGG-306. That's because most of this grill is constructed from premium stainless steel with sturdy welds and rivets. The 2 stainless steel gas burners generate 20,000 BTUs, each consistently producing 10,000 BTUs of heat. With this much firepower, you can grill just about anything. Additionally, the lid locks tightly while it's in motion. The legs neatly fold up for easy transfer and storage. It can even be used as a tabletop grill or mounted to a base. Which is the best? The Blackstone 1554 Gas Grill is the best propane grill under $500. That's because it can prepare meals for 2 to 20 people at a time. It's also made of sturdy materials and can be used on the patio or lawn thanks to its industrial lockable wheels. It has the most heat for each burner, allowing for the best cooking and searing results. It's also user-friendly and easy to clean. Thanks for watching.